Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're just tuning in for the first time, you're welcome. If today is your first time of clicking my video, viewing my channel, you're welcome. Okay, please subscribe to my channel. Don't just view my video and just go without subscribing. Okay, on this channel we make a lot of sense. Okay, so just give us a trial and a trial will convince you. Okay, all right, my name is Medilog. I am a blogger, YouTuber, blogging from the northern part of Nigeria. Yes, I am originally from Kogi State and I am an Igala lady. I am proud of my origin.
Simple solutions to life.
Yes, so that is introduction. Okay, in our last video, I promised you guys that I'm going to talk about the power of your fingers, or how to use your fingers to deliver yourself, to carry out self-deliverance. And I said in that video, if you have not seen that video yet, I titled it as Back to Sender. The how to use Back to Sender by Medilog. So if you have not seen that video yet, just Google it, how to use Back to Sender by Medilog, and you will see it. Okay, all right. In that video I said that I would like to discuss with us what our fingers represent, when you want to carry out self-deliverance. I am not concerned about the deliverance you go to the church to receive or the prayer somebody is praying on your behalf. I am talking about the prayer you can pray for yourself and how you can conduct your own deliverance by yourself. Okay, so our fingers, as we all know, they are very powerful. Yes, our fingers says a lot of things about us, and in the spirit realm, fingers matters. Yes, and that is why I said in one of the videos that if somebody is pointing this finger at you, it is not a good thing, because this finger, index finger, can neutralize so many things and can also signify so many things. And the middle finger, that one is also for good thing. This is for good thing, this is for bad thing. And then if you want to and at times to use the whole finger, it is even better when you use the whole finger, communicating or talking to somebody or decreeing something. You understand? But when you are using one finger, the context that I want to discuss this morning has to do with how to use your middle finger and your index finger. Okay, so for the other fingers, I will talk about it later in another video, because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so when you are praying, you understand, even if you are praying for someone, this can also be used, this can also be used. That's your index finger and your middle finger can be used even when you're praying for someone. But most importantly, I want to tell us how you can use it to pray for yourself, to deliver yourself from bad occurrence or things that are happening in your life. Yes, you see, a lot of us are facing things in our lives that makes us to question whether God is answering our prayers or not. Why is it that others are practicing certain things, they are praying in certain ways and it is working for them, and me, it's not working for me? You see, we carry different plagues. Yes, when I say plague, Plague, Plaque, plague. When you add S at the back, it becomes plural. I didn't study English language in school. I only follow them reach gate. I did not enter the class. So please, I will just be communicating and you understanding what I'm saying. All right, guys. See, people carry different plagues. You know, you carry different plagues on your head, and there are some plagues that needs you to carry out some certain level of spirituality for it to go away, and some plagues just say, hey kids, get out, and it is gone. Yes. So now, when you are praying, for example, when you are under some pressures, things are turning against you, things are turning against you, things are not working the way they should be, you know, you can carry out positivity prayers. Positivity prayers, you will use your middle finger on your head like this. When you place your middle finger on your head, you know, like this, then you pray. Begin to decree every positive thing. This my head. I did not say place your hand on your head. You know, at times you go to somewhere, they are praying, they'll say, okay, everybody place your hands on your head and begin to prophesy so and so. But if you want to prophesy positivity on your life that will take effect, use your middle finger. Benny, yes. So put your middle finger on your head and then decree those positive things that you want to see happen in your life. Okay? All right. Now, we are done with that. Yes, somebody asked me, Medilock, I saw you in a hotel last time. Are you in Abuja? So that I will come and see you. Guys, I'm not in a hotel. Oh, this is my room. Yes, I'm looking for light because, you know, Nigeria factor, don't have lights, you know, so I have to like position myself in places where I can get natural light so that I can quickly shoot this video. Okay, so this is my room. It's not a hotel. Okay, all right, guys. I didn't travel anywhere. I'm here. So now, when you want to carry out negativity prayer, you also use your index finger. Yes. For example, for those that are into ministry, you are conducting deliverance, you are in the prayer band, or you are in the prayer department, or you are a deliverance person, and you're saying, in the name of Jesus, I command you out of our body. There are some demons that will not go. Yes. This is a gun. How does it look like? When you point a gun, how does it look? Let me do like this. How does a gun look? This is a gun in the spirit, and it releases bullets, whether you see it or not. You can't see it, but some people can see it, and that demon can see it. Yes, that's what matters. Even if you are not seeing any bullet, any gun coming out of your hand, you should know that this is a spiritual gun. AK-47. Yes. You demon, you foul spirit, I command you out of that body. Now, in the name of Jesus, get out. It will obey you. It will. And when you want to pray for yourself, you're carrying out deliverance for yourself, you feel there are things in your house, you stand up. You stand up in your place of prayer. You point this your finger to 4 angles of your vicinity. It's like you're shooting gun, not leaving any enemy behind. You point your finger as you're praying. You understand? Not like this. Like this, you reduce the power. But like this, it is definite. Okay? So, you pray. And apart from pointing to your 4 corners of your house or your vicinity, you can also point this to your head. And when you are praying, you are, look at it. You are praying and commanding that foul spirit, that unclean spirit, that demon of retrogression, demon of backwardness, limitation, stagnation, poverty, to get out of your life. Okay? Yes. Carry out this. You can do this for 7 days. Any personal deliverance prayer, you can do it for 7 days. Do it for 7 days. Have faith. Remember, when Peter was fishing in that river, Peter and his friends, colleagues, they toiled all night. They did not catch any fish. And when Jesus came to the bank of the river, he said, Peter, can I borrow your canoe or your whatever, your ship, something? I want to sit inside and use it to preach, because people were, coming. So you want to sit to have like, separate himself so I can talk to the congregation. Peter said, if you want to use it now. After all, this ship is not even profitable to me. Throughout the night, we toil all night. We did not catch it. We didn't catch fish. So at least if you cannot use it to catch, you can use it to preach now. Carry it. He now gave it to Jesus. Jesus entered inside the boat and sat and preached. At the end of the sermon, Jesus now turned to Peter and said, Peter, cast thy net into this side of the river. Peter said, hey, Master, you don't understand. See, the whole of this place, all this river, even this place, even under this boat now, we have ransacked everywhere. We have, Master, see, we don't comb all this place, we don't comb back. Nothing, no fish, not even crayfish, not even a crab. Is it crab or scrab, or how do they call it? He said, Master, we have come the whole place, nothing. See, I've been fishing for years. I am a professional fisherman. I have used all my method. I have tried. I have fished everywhere. No fish, nothing. But I say, now you talker, because you are the one that said it, at your command. I will cast my net again. And Peter obeyed. After explaining all these things, Peter can talk very well. So he now cast his net inside that place. And the fish did not caught the kind of fish that he has never caught in his whole profession as a fisherman, in all the years and history of his fishing. So his net started breaking. He started calling out to other fishermen to help. Please, make una come join hands, I beg, come and help me. Please come and help me. Then they came, they joined hands, and they helped him to drag the fishes to the shore. And then he now look at Jesus and say, yeah. So, he be like say, na magic man you be, you are a magician. This your magic, is like, it's better than my own. I will follow you. Peter was convinced because he saw the miracle, and he was convinced. Why? Because he obeyed the instruction. I am not Jesus. I am not a pastor. I am a blogger. I am a YouTuber. I am a child of God. I am in love with God, and God is in love with me. Okay? I am telling you what I use that is working for me, and I'm sharing this information with you guys. Okay? So have faith. If you have prayed before and it did not work for you, pray it again. Okay? Do it again this time around. God will answer you. It's not me. God is still in the business of answering prayers, and he's still in the business of delivering his people. Yes. And I want to show you guys honey. Look at this honey. Look at how bright it is. Look how bright. This is lovely. This is how bright this honey is. This honey, I don't know, is so bright, you know. I don't know if I can use this light to make you guys see it. I don't know. Are you seeing it? Look at how it is. This is pure, direct from the farm. Unpasteurized, unprocessed. It's not cooked. It's raw. If you want to use honey for spirituality, for promotion, for a breakthrough in your home, for positivity, order for this. Okay, I am going to learn how to start shipping things outside Nigeria using cargo. Yes, I am making my contact with few people, and very soon I'll start shipping honey to you guys outside Nigeria. Okay, all right guys, I need to run along now. This video, I didn't want it to be long, but it became long anyway.